All right, I think I'm rolling. Finally gonna put this bike together. Hi, bub. Everybody say hi. Hi, honey. I'm vlogging. So yeah, on our trip over to Austin, we picked up these two things for, what was it? This was 40 bucks. And I kid you not, that's just forewarning, especially now with this COVID-19 stuff happening right now. Don't break your bike, because more than likely, if you have to order anything online or at the bike shop, chances are you're gonna be waiting for quite some time. But here I actually lucked out. It was the actual like MT201, which is basically the same exact brake line, or the brake lever. And not only just the brake lever, but also, check this out. Yeah, that's the whole entire brake line from beginning to end, which is gonna save me a lot of time because I don't have to basically put the oil in and bleed the brake. It's all built. But yeah, it's nice that I actually found the whole entire thing all built together instead of finding the brake lever. I mean, they did have a brake lever, and the fact that he just kind of pulled this out of the back, out of nowhere, and he was just like, look, I have this. And for 40 bucks, I don't know, I just couldn't beat it. So I definitely lucked out, but I would swear to not push my luck anymore. Once I get back on the trails, I'm gonna take it a lot more easier. Just be casual about everything. But yeah, this is my bike rack inside the house, and in case y'all haven't seen it, got the road bikes over here, and yes, that's a patch on the wall. We had to fix a condensation line coming from the AC unit, and that was really fun to fix. So we got the wall patches down there ready to put back there, but yeah, it'll be another day. But yeah, for today's project, getting the brake line put on. Right there. And voila, it's off. I think it'd probably be best to put it upside down and get the rest of this brake line off. So let's do that. You got, instead of a zip tie, you got a little line holder right there that's really nice to have. So you don't have to zip tie anything, it's just there. So let's see if we can get that guy off. This is gonna be a smaller one. Let's see. Shoot. Okay, what size? That's really tiny. I'm gonna have to go find another Allen wrench. Okay, be right back. Okay, got these other pair of Allen wrenches. Should be able to find the size. Strip it. Okay, this feels right. Let's try to get this off. There we go. Okay, take that out. Take this off. I always like to keep these guys, kind of put it back where it belongs, just to kind of hold it there. And then, yeah, don't completely put it in there, just kind of hold it there. Now, onto this guy. Getting the caliper off. Oh no, the kid's crying. There we go. We're in the middle of potty training, so that's always fun. Anybody out there have 3-year-olds? There we go. Easy as that. Place that down there. And voila. Off with the braking system here. Place that to the side. What's nice that I actually, another good fact or an awesome deal about finding that whole and complete braking system in REI is that this is still good and the line is still good. So these can be spare parts later on down the road. So that's good. So let's get the new guy on here. Probably need to keep this. Put that right there. Now to get the new guy. Comes with this little plastic piece. You want to pull this out. And don't forget the position that was in. Hold that there. Alright, brake caliper is on. Just gotta get in the other bolt here and put that back on. Yeah, I should probably use Loctite right now, but I'll get that. I just want my bike back together. That's all I want. Yeah, I'm not kidding, folks. Especially right now during this COVID-19 stuff going on right now. That's I lucked out finding this whole entire braking system like completely, because I was calling so many other shops and they were all telling me that I was gonna have to order it online, and typically online they said it was gonna be weeks if not months that the part was ever gonna come in. So it's just like, now if y'all are out riding on the trails, make sure that y'all are not only trying to prevent yourself from getting injured, but also keep your bike in one piece, because chances are you're not going to have a bike part available for a while. Okay, checking the clearance. There we go. Caliper is back on. Check that it's working. See? Spin it. Nice. It's good operation. Tighten that back in. I don't want to tighten this too hard, because you'll break this piece of plastic very easily. Seems to look pretty good. Now, onto the brake lever. Get that on. All right. Got the bike up right now. To get the handle off, is this too big? Go with a smaller size. There we go. There we go. Loosen that. The thing I like about these handles is that these grips, just loosen them, come straight off. Now, onto the broken vise of the old brake lever has to come off. It's still on there. I broke this sucker clean off. Alright. There we go. Got that off. Now, make it drop underneath the dropper post line. More easier access. And then point it down like the other one. There we go. Now we got the dropper post line going over it. Nice and smooth. There we go. Cool deal. Okay. Got these awesome new Bontrager grips that I got from REI. Install those real quick. almost finished. There we go. Oh, that looks nice. I think these grips are a little bit shorter, so I can bring out the dropper post. Hold on, let me. Yep. It's all the way on there. These are a little bit shorter than the other grips, but still nice. I mean, damn, these things are super grippy, even without gloves. The remote still works. It got snapped off at the end of the thread here. See if I adjust it out. See, now you can see where it's broken. But if I screw this on just a tad, let's see. Yeah. See, it's not that bad of shape. Did get snapped, but I can still operate the dropper post. So that still works. So, got that all completed. No brake bleeding. Fantastic. Even got that assembly on. Now, just last but not least, just get the other handle on. Get this one off. Looking good. There we go. Got new brakes, got new grips. My wife does not believe that I'm already done with the bike.
Typically in these situations, what happens is you can't find a tool, or something breaks, or you're too violent with it.
Or I'm just cussing a lot.
And yeah, or cussing a lot, and then trying to figure it out. It takes about 3 hours. So it's been about, what, 40 minutes?
Has it?
Yeah.
Didn't feel like 40 minutes.
Well, because you were working on it. You weren't getting mad at it.
It was pretty simple. Bub, I love you. Can you move? I gotta go. I gotta come through here.
Come here.
This dog has been in a relationship for how long?
8 years.
8?
9. Oh no.
No.
9 years. Because we've been together for 10 years.
Sure, it's not 10.
No, we've been together for 10 years. We got him about a year after, 9 months after we started dating. We were like, you know what? Let's take this to the next level.
Let's get a 4-legged kid. All brand new grips and one brand new brake. Seat down. Let's take a ride. Oh my God. I'm on the bike. Put my flip-flops on so I'm not in any temptation to do anything crazy. This feels so good. Great power comes great responsibility. And not getting hit by a car. I'm getting myself in trouble. I gotta stop. Time to go home. I got to end this video. I have to. It's been a long time coming since I actually had anything bike related on my channel. So, thank you for watching the videos. As always, this is Sean, creator of Dirty Bike Madness. And I like to say, get out, go ride, get dirty, don't break your bike, and don't break your collarbone. Peace out.